How to add bank account or debit card to Venmo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually add your bank account or your debit card to your Venmo app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the first thing you want to do is simply make sure to download the Venmo application. Once you download and open the Venmo app, you will see this type of interface where you have to tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the Venmo application. Once you tap on the three lines icon, you'll be able to see the settings, the application over here, and under settings you have to look for the option called payment methods. Once you tap on payment method, basically you'll see another option called add bank or card. So whether you want to link your bank or whether you want to link your card, just tap on the option. If you want to link your bank, then you can tap on the bank option and log into your online banking details. If you want to link your card, you can tap on the card option, follow the instructions, enter your card details in order to fill in your card details as well. That is it for this video on how you can actually add money to your bank accounts or add bank account or debit card to Venmo. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.